Back in 2017, an idea was sketched onto a napkin. The idea? A simple way to keep IV lines in place and help nurses save time in critical care situations. Over $250,000 of money was invested in FDA compliance, prototypes, attorneys, two sales reps. We got nowhere. Eventually, I shut the company down and thought the whole thing was over. Then I got a call from Pacific World Marketing. They had informed me that the patent had actually been granted and that they wanted to help in the licensing of this product. Quite a surprise, as I was unaware that this patent was granted. Everyone around me said it was a scam and that I'd just be paying fees monthly for nothing. But I wanted to give one last shot. Today, I have a signed licensing deal, and the first dollars have already come through the door. Thanks to Pacific World Marketing, my product is finally real, and I'm proof that they can get it done.